Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, we're exploring one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories, turmeric, the golden spice that soothes joint pain naturally. Check the link in the comments for the top herbal guide. So why does turmeric work? Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies show it can help reduce swelling, stiffness, and discomfort in conditions like arthritis and general joint pain. For daily support, most research recommends 500 to 1000 milligrams of curcumin extract per day. If you're using turmeric powder, start with 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily, that's about 2 to 3 grams. You can add it to warm milk, golden tea, or smoothies. Take turmeric once or twice daily, ideally with meals and with a pinch of black pepper, which boosts absorption by up to 2000%. For the best results, choose organic turmeric root powder for food and teas. Standardized curcumin capsules, with black pepper or piperine extract, for supplements. Or make a turmeric paste with coconut oil for topical relief. Now for a bonus tip. Combine turmeric with ginger or boswellia for a stronger anti-inflammatory blend. Like, share and subscribe for more health tips. Check the link below this video for the top herbal guide. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before using herbs, especially if pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication such as blood thinners.